Welcome to Upto Brain. In this video, we are going to talk about OKB. So let's start this video with the first question. What is OKB? OKB is a cryptocurrency released by the OK Blockchain Foundation and Maltese crypto exchange, OKX. The exchange is one of the largest in the world and currently ranks third in liquidity, fourth in trading volume, and provides a wide selection of trading pairs. OKX platforms has its own cloud mining service, and the company has a more focused reach in providing option trading for users. Meanwhile, Binance strives to offer a broad range of crypto services globally. OKB is the OKX utility token that enables users to access the crypto exchange special features. The coin is used to calculate and pay trading fees, grant users access to voting and governance on the platform, and reward users for holding OKB. OKX has become a world-leading trading floor since its launch in 2017. The platform launched in the spring of 2017 and emerged as an offshoot from the original OKCoin platform. OKCoin now focuses on exchanging fiat for crypto, while OKX focuses on crypto trading with a built-in API for algorithmic trading. The exchange also gives users access to a multi-currency wallet and functions for margin trading. Let's move on to the next question. Who are the founders of OKB? Jay Hao joined OKX as a CEO from the beginning, and he still holds the position. Another key management team member is Mingjing Zhu. He founded OKCoin in China in 2013 and has earned himself a big reputation in the industry. So now let's move on to the next question. What makes OKB unique? OKB token plays an important role in the OKX ecosystem. It allows users to receive up to a 40% discount on transaction depending on the number of tokens a user has. The exchange divides user into two status groups, regular and VIP. Regular users are assigned a level according to their OKB stock, and VIP users get a level according to their trading volume. The commissions are updated daily and users get a discount depending on their respective level. So now let's move on to the price prediction of OKB. You guys can see the price prediction on your screen. Here comes the year 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2026. So now let's move on to the conclusion. OKB token has been holding in the market for a long time, and according to our findings, the price of it will grow in the upcoming years. Still, this is just an OKB price prediction, and Upto Brain will not be responsible for any losses. That's all for this video. So guys, that was our take on OKB token. What are your thoughts about this? Do let us know in the comment section, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel Upto Brain.